Hey everyone and welcome to the club. Today I'll be showing you how to draw the squid from Splatoon. Let's get started in the center of our page with the eyelid. So I'm going to start with a curve from left to right. Starting on the left, we're going to curve down and then back up on the right. Now from these points, I want to curve around and then down. Starting on the left, we're going to go up and then just pull it down on the left. We're going to do the same thing on the right. We're going to go up and then pull it down on the right. Now we're going to tuck two circles underneath the eyelid. Starting on the left side, start at the very top, we'll go around and then just tuck this in underneath the eyelid. We're going to leave a small gap in the center and do the same thing on the right. Stepping over, we'll draw that same size circle, going all the way around. Now in the middle, we're going to draw two smaller circles for the pupil, starting on the left side, and then we're going to fill that in black. Now let's draw on the outside edge of the eyes. So we're going to start underneath the eyelid on the left side, curve around the iris. Now we're going to pull this up in towards the middle, to right about there. Let's do the same thing on the right. Starting from the center. Now we're just going to thicken up the outside edge of the eyes. From the top, underneath the eyelid, we're going to step out. We're going to curve around. Now we're going to taper this so it gets a little bit thicker along the bottom. Now I'm going to pull this up in towards the center, leaving a little gap at the top. Now let's do the same thing on the right. So we're going to taper this down towards the bottom, work our way around, and then up underneath the eyelid. Let's go ahead and fill this in black. Now that we've drawn in the eyes, let's work our way around the side of the head. So in the center, we're going to go all the way to the top and draw in a point. From this point, we're going to curve out and then down towards the side of the head. Starting from the top, we're going to curve out and then down to about the same height as the eyelid. Go back to the top. Now we're going to round this out just slightly at the top, curve down and out towards the right. And then from here, I want to curve down and in towards the eyes, leaving a little space on the sides. Starting on the left, we're going to curve down and then in, leaving that space. Do the same thing on the right. Now just below the eyes, we're going to draw in the four tiny tentacles. So in the center, we're going to step down and draw in a point. From this point, I'm going to curve down and out towards the left. Go back to the center, curve down and out towards the right. Now we're going to curve up in the opposite direction. Starting on the left side, we'll go up and out to the same height as we have in the center. Now we're going to do this one more time. Starting on the left side, we'll curve down and out. Do the same thing on the right. We want to make sure we're lining these up along the bottom. Now we're going to curve up in the opposite direction. Now I'm going to pull this line up a little bit higher on the outside. Now we're going to draw in the two large fins along the bottom. Now I'm going to sway these over towards the right. So let's start on the left side here. Start by coming down. We'll curve out towards the left, and then I'll curve back towards the right, towards the tip of the fin. Now let's move to the right side and draw on the outer part of the right fin. Starting from here, we're going to curve down and out towards the right. Now I'm just going to pull this down and then slightly over towards the left. From here, we're going to draw on the inside of the fins. Let's start on the bottom of the left fin. Start by going up and out towards the right. Now I'm going to curve this back over in behind this little tentacle. In behind like that. Now on the right side, we're going to curve in the opposite direction. Starting from the tip, we'll curve up and over towards the left. Now right here, I'm going to round this out and then pull this up underneath the side of the right tentacle. Now because these fins are turned over this way, you can see the underside of the right fin. So let's start at the top of this tentacle. We're going to curve and just follow this curve all the way down and taper towards this point. Starting up here, we're going to curve around, out. Now we're just going to taper this down towards the tip. Let's add some spots to the back of this fin. Starting at the bottom here, we're going to add a circle. Now Now on the outside, we're gonna draw a half circle. So it shows that this fin is curved around. Up here, we're gonna draw a medium-sized circle. We'll add a small one on the inside here. Now let's go to the top. Up here, we're gonna draw a larger circle. And then on the side, we're gonna draw another half circle, starting from the top, working our way to the bottom. And then on the outer edge of the right fin, you'll just see a few spots up here. So I'm gonna start with a half circle up here at the top. Draw a small one down here. And I'll draw another half circle along the bottom. And that's pretty much it. There we have it. There's a squid from Splatoon. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.